An old bicycle lay on the side of the road. It was worn and broken, and it looked very old. The bike must have been there for a long time. It was rusty and covered with dirt and grime. The tires were flat and the seat was torn. The chain was broken and it was missing the horn. A bike that used to bring so much joy now lay in a ditch, nearly destroyed. Most people who walked by the bike just ignored it. But one little boy said, "I'm going to restore it." He picked up the bike and hauled it away. And he started to work on it the very same day. He scraped all the dirt and rust off the frame. And he fixed all the broken links in the chain. He patched the tires and repaired the seat. But this bike restoration was still not complete. He painted the frame a nice bright blue. He tightened the bolts and he tightened the screws. He oiled the chain and he pumped up the tires. And he tested the brakes and tightened the wires. He worked all day and into the night. The bike was starting to look just right. This is the way it was before. My work here is done, and this bike is restored. When Jesus Christ walked on the earth, he called 12 apostles and formed his church. He gave them authority, and it was all arranged. But after a long time, the church started to change. Priesthood authority was taken from the earth, and the world was in darkness without Christ's church. People were looking for it for many years. They said lots of prayers, and they cried many tears. Later, Joseph Smith was searching for it, and God told Joseph, "I want you to restore it." Little by little, God showed him the plan, and Joseph Smith obeyed every command. God worked with Joseph both day and night. The church was starting to look just right. This is the way it was before. My work here is done, and my church is restored. I have caused this last covenant and this church to be built up unto me, even as in days of old. Did you know we create lesson plans and activity pages to go with our videos every week? They're made by a professional teacher just for kids.
Tell your teacher. Tell your mom.
They're on our website,
LatternDayKids.com.